We're talking today about A Discovery of a New World by John Wilkins, one of the books from the Royal Society Library. It's a beautiful thing, and it looks at the moon and speculates about how one would get there, what you would find along the way, the problems you'd have to overcome to get to the moon.
If a man were above the sphere of the magnetical virtue which proceeds from the earth, he might there stand as firmly in the open air as he can now upon the ground. And not only so, but he may also move with a far greater swiftness than any living creature here below, because he is without all gravity, being not attracted any way, and so, consequently, will not be liable to such impediments.
I'm going to give him probably a 7 out of 10 on that one, because he's got some really interesting ideas. He hasn't quite got his physics right. But actually some of the things that he's describing are, in fact, as we see them. So, for example, he's talking about moving with less impediment. Well, of course, as you move through space, there aren't very many particles there to stop your motion, and so you can accelerate to much greater speeds than you could do here down on the Earth through the Earth's atmosphere. So he's got that part right.
Yeah. I think we have to give him a slight break because he's writing before Isaac Newton came along and explained it all.
I think that's fair. So the idea of being outside of gravity, if you go, okay, there is still gravity in space, but we'll give him a break on that one, I think.
Yeah. Very good. So in terms of the Earth-Moon distance, Wilkins calculates that this is a journey of 52 semi-diameters of the Earth, which is 179,000 and a bit English miles.
That's really interesting. So he's saying that the moon is 52 Earth radii from the Earth, and the real answer is 60. So he's very close, isn't he? Yeah. He's very close in his estimation. What is he thinking about in terms of surviving? Can you breathe?
In terms of survival, he only knows what earthbound survival would look like.
Okay.
So he knows that if you climb up a mountain, you get a more rarefied atmosphere.
Yep.
So that much they know. And he thinks a moistened sponge would be the tool you would take as breathing apparatus if you went into space.
I'll bear that in mind next time I'm climbing mountains.
Yep. Handy advice, I think.